Hello from Slovenia again. Today I decided that I want to play a little bit with my neons. I didn't do this before, so I really don't know what to expect, but I will try. I think that I have hard time to get them to the consistency that I like, but I will try to do something and we will see if we will get some nice result or will be just disaster. I will do puddles, of course. I will do in 2 rows or 2 circles. How can I say that? I don't know. And I think that I will add metallic in the middle. I don't know how this works, metallics and neons, but we will see. Maybe we can get something nice or something that will be black. I didn't use neons before because I'm not a neon girl, but I want to give it a try, so we will see. Maybe I will add some of this gold here in the middle. I will do just one more. I think that my consistency isn't okay with these nails, I don't know. Or maybe I shouldn't add metallics. But you know me, I want to try and experiment, and sometimes we come up with something nice, sometimes it's just a failure. I just don't know what to think about this. And my neon green. Whoops, I will just go. just don't feel this consistency is right, but we will see. And I think I will add some yellow tone, these greens, just to give it some interest maybe. I really don't know what will came up out of this. Where is my spray bottle? Here it is. I think that this will not be okay, but because it feels a little weird under my fingers, I don't know. I just don't know. I couldn't get the consistency with these neon paints that I like to use for my dips, so I really don't know what will be. I don't know. The bubbles. I really don't know. maybe I shouldn't have had this metallic white. Maybe I should use just neon paints. I don't know, but it's kind of, I don't know. I will take you for a close-up. I will cover my lens so that you will not get dizzy, and I will take you down. I like this center. I like this little cells. Whoops. On the edges. So, what is so weird lightening? Maybe I did something to my settings, because you can't see this neon color, I think. Just not right, this color, I think. I like this center, you see, has like three-dimensional look. Maybe it is worth to try again, and maybe we can get some better results next time. So this was quick little neon flower, and we see you on the next one. Bye.